Hi, hello. There is a major gap in mental health. All throughout the society, throughout the country, there's a major gap in mental health. More so, it's people not understanding who people really are, actually looking at people's charts to see their history and their behaviors. Also looking at the society factors surrounding the alignment of people. Like, there is a major problem in mental health. There is. And just being able to observe and from speaking with doctors and doctors aligning, like especially with hospitals. I spoke to a doctor. Doctor talked about the hospitals and the alignments of hospitals. And she said in hospitals, our goal is to treat the patient. The patient comes in for an illness. We treat the patient for that illness. And the patient goes home once they're cured for that illness. And it's not more so a holistic approach, but a more so, let me treat this patient and make sure this patient's cured from the illness that they have and able to go back to their normal life and continue with PCP visits and medications that they provide to them. But more so, the doctor said it's our goal to heal the patients so that the patients can go home or to their next venture from the hospital, nursing home, long-term skilled nursing facility, whichever destination is following a hospital visit. Now, when situations like this occur, then there's mental health. And they place mental health in hospitals. But some people aren't specialized in mental health in hospitals. Therefore, they're not aligning appropriately around the mental health because they're not fully physically getting to know the person. They don't understand. I know for a fact they're not looking at the person's charts because I went into a mental health facility, but more so, they weren't looking at the surrounding factors. They were looking at what was being reached. Like, this is Chantal. She's not, what was being reached, but not the surrounding factors. Because I spoke to a therapist before when I was a kid. And in reality, the only situation that would probably cause psychosis or schizophrenia or street drugs. And like crack cocaine, heroin, and if you overuse the street drugs, fentanyl, and so forth. I'm not very aware or very articulate when it comes to street drugs because I don't know of like the street drugs. But it is like a problem. It's a problem, and it does cause schizophrenia and other mental health issues because it messes with the brain. If you obsessively